Welcome to Linux Tell. Today we're gonna see how to install Teamviewer on Oracle Linux 8.8. Teamviewer is a remote access and a remote control software for computers and other devices that allow maintenance and repair. Teamviewer is mainly used to access computer and other endpoints remotely, as well as to control and maintain them. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next, I am going to install REPL release by using the following command. Next, I am going to download Teamviewer using wget by using the following command. Next, I am going to install Teamviewer by using the following command. Give yes, again give yes. Next, switch to standard user by using the following command. Next, I am going to run the following command to start Teamviewer application by using the following command. This is the dashboard of Teamviewer. This is the process to install Teamviewer on Oracle Linux 8.8.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.